Hello everyone! Aloha! So when I went to Oahu, Hawaii for vacation, I stayed at Waikiki Resort Hotel. I booked this hotel with Agoda and I chose this hotel because of its excellent location. It is just a few meters away from the Waikiki Beach. This hotel is actually near to everything. So if you are looking for souvenirs, toiletries, clothes, and even accessories to buy, then you can go to convenience stores like ABC stores. You can just walk around the corner. These stores are really close to Waikiki Resort Hotel. And also, if you are hungry and you want cheap food, McDonalds, Me Barbecue, Musubi Cafe, Murugame Udon, as well as food trucks, they are also a few meters away from this hotel. And do you know that this hotel is also very close to the bus station? So if you want to go somewhere and you want to take the bus stations are within walking distance of the Waikiki Resort Hotel. So how did I get to this hotel from the airport? When I arrived at the Honolulu Airport, I booked Robert's Hawaii Airport shuttle and it took me less than an hour to get to Waikiki Resort Hotel. So for me, this hotel is a bit old. The room was small but it was clean. They don't have a microwave but they have a ref and you can take out the complimentary breakfast. The views from the balcony are great. The employees at the front desk and concierge were very kind and helpful to me. Not really a fancy hotel, but the location is great and they definitely have a great service. So for this hotel, I am giving 4/5.